In this video, we'll walk through how to set up your AI assistant step-by-step inside Mercuri. Let's get started. First, log in to your Mercuri dashboard. From the left side menu, click on AI Assistants. Now click on Create Agent. This is where you'll configure your AI assistant. Inside the Setup section, you'll see multiple tabs. Let's go through them one by one. Start with the General tab. Here, you'll add your agent name and configure the system prompt. Click on Continue to Knowledge at the bottom right. This is where you train the AI using your business information. It is recommended to add your sitemap URL and click on Add button, so Mercuri can understand your website better. You can also add specific website pages for more targeted AI knowledge. Simply paste the page URL here and click on Add. Now, let's look at the Tools section. This defines what your AI assistant can do. Enable features based on your business needs, such as Wix bookings for appointment management, order tracking for delivery updates, product enquiry for product-related questions, customer support for FAQs, and basic assistance. Next, open the Channel section. This is where you connect communication platforms like WhatsApp and SMS. To connect a channel, select WhatsApp or SMS. Then choose the phone number and click Connect Channel. Once connected, Mercuri will ask you to add a test number. This is important because only added test numbers can interact with the AI assistant while testing. Enter your test phone number and click Add. Finally, move to the Launch section. Before your AI assistant can start responding, Mercuri needs to process and train all the connected knowledge sources. Click on Start Training. This usually takes around 1 to 5 minutes depending on the amount of content. Once training is complete, you can choose between different deployment modes. Testing mode allows only your added test numbers to interact with the assistant. Live mode makes the AI assistant publicly available to real customers on connected channels. And if you need to make updates later, you can move the assistant back to draft mode, make changes, retrain it, and relaunch again.